Today I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your Android phone. Let's go straight to the point. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is go to your settings and turn on your Bluetooth. So we're going to turn it on. And what you want to do now is go to your PS4 controller, hold down the home button and the share button at the same time. Until it starts blinking like that, as you can see. Now, go to your phone, and let's refresh here, scan. There it says wireless controller. Connecting, and now it's connected, as you can see. So let's try the game. As you can see, I'm putting it right here, and I'm playing a game, if I know what X is. Alright, let's just try out something here. Alright, I suck at this game, but you get the idea. How do I send stuff? Alright. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you dislike it, please leave a dislike. If you really liked it, you can always subscribe. Thanks for watching.